Welcome to the Extra Stock YouTube channel. SUZLON Energy shares down 10% in a month. Should investors consider averaging? SUZLON Energy share price, the counter traded lower than the 5-day, 20-, 30-, 50-day and 100-day simple moving averages, SMAs, but higher than the 10-day, 150-day and 200-day SMAs. The Scripps 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, came at 45.31. Shares of SUZLON Energy Limited were trading 0.2% higher at 63.68 rupees in Wednesday's trade. At this value, the stock has slipped 10.12% in the past 1 month. Around 21.98 lakh shares were last seen changing hands on BSE. The figure was lower than the 2-week average volume of 1.88 crore shares. Turnover on the counter came at 13.99 rupees crore, commanding a market capitalization (MCAP) of 187.73 rupees crore. The renewable energy solutions provider reported a 95.72% year-on-year (YoY) surge in its second quarter consolidated net profit for the financial year 2024-25, Q2 FY25. During the quarter under review, profit came at 200.20 rupees crore as against 102.29 rupees crore in the year-ago period. Revenue from operations moved up 47.68% to 2,092.99 rupees crore in Q2 FY25 from 1,417.21 rupees crore in the corresponding period last year. Analysts largely suggested that the counter may trade lower in the near term. Existing investors can consider averaging at 45 to 47 rupees levels, one of them said. With that being said, a decisive move beyond 72 to 75 rupees levels can bring the mojo back. If we calculate from 2020, the stock has moved from 3 rupees to 80 rupees, that's almost 25x. Now, it is taking some time to digest this big move. A few days back, it tested its 200-day moving average. So, sellers are a little aggressive in this counter and it can trade lower for some time. I don't see an immediate rally and scope to trade at higher levels, did Aurora. The stock faces resistance around 72 rupees level. One can consider averaging around 45 to 47 rupees levels. Those holding can continue with their positions, said market expert Kush Godasara. SUZLON is undergoing price and time corrections. There are several support levels in place, particularly in the 60 to 58 rupees subzone, which can provide a foundation for stability. On the higher end, if the stock can break through 75 rupees level, we may see a further upward movement. This could set the stage for renewed growth, said Ashok Krishan, senior research analyst, technical and derivatives at Angel One. The counter traded lower than the 5-day, 20-, 30-, 50-day and 100-day simple moving averages, SMAs, but higher than the 10-day, 150-day and 200-day SMAs. The Scripps 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, came at 45.31. A level below 30 is defined as oversold while a value above 70 is considered overbought. According to BSE data, the company's stock has a price-to-equity, PE, ratio of 288.86 against a price-to-book, PB, value of 22.38. Earnings per share, EPS, stood at 0.22 with a return on equity, ROE, of 7.81. Promoters held a 13.25% stake in the company as of September 2024, which is slightly lower from 13.27% in the previous quarter. Extra Stock YouTube channel provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Viewers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.